So if I write the host in SAS, that means I am talking about this app homepage because this is my host where all of the HTML of my component would exist. So in the host, I'm going to add some styles like display, lock, width 100%, height 100%, and background color. Okay, color has been added, but this color is not looking good. I should have used the color from the picture. So, okay, this is how I pick colors. This is my easiest way that I mostly use to pick colors. So I have picked the color that is this. Now I will add this. Alright, now same color has been added, but you can see that there is a little margin above this section. So I have to check like, which thing is creating this margin. So I have to fix the basic layout issue. That is, I have to go to the global file, and here I have to add overflow hidden or overflow button. Alright, no, still not fixed. Like maybe okay. So I was adding overflow to in the wrong place. I should have added in the here. But instead of adding it here, I will add in the root level so that this issue does not create again for any other page. So I will go to the app.css and I will add post. Maybe that will fix the issue. No, I think I must have to add it inside the relevant page only. So let's do it. Okay, it has been fixed. So next, add a container. Section 1, section 2. I'm creating two sections in order to add these colors. So first section would have limited height so that so that the card can flow out of the container. Section 2. And I will pick these colors. Before that, let me get the code for linear gradient. So this is the code. Okay. Okay. Gradient has been added. Now I just have to choose the correct colors. So this is the color 1, and this is 2. See, okay, this is how it is looking now. Next, I would create another container within section 2, and within that container I'll add some high width, 80%, and margin auto to bring it in the center. All right, it has been added, but I have to move it little bit outside to create this overflow effect. So I will minus.